Hello besties and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about these kawaii cute Easter nails. I feel like an Easter princess right now. So if you want to see how I did these, just keep on watching. We are starting with form application and base sculpting. I haven't showed this process in a while, but I thought I'd show it because I'm doing a different shape today. I'm doing tapered square, so it's a little bit different from square. The reason being that I'm going to pinch the end of the form. Originally I wanted to do coffin, but I guess I didn't pinch the form enough. So just a little bit of pinching of the form will give you that nice tapered look. If you want coffin, you would definitely have to pinch it a lot more. Pretty much I would say maybe pinch it all the way. I haven't tried coffin with forms yet, so I'll have to try that like for real one day because I totally thought I was doing coffin, but I'm definitely not. But I'm not going to go too in depth about sculpting today. I do have a video where I do go in depth, a couple videos, so I'll link those in the cards if you want to check those out. So these pastels that I'm using today are from Valentino, and honestly I don't know how I feel about Valentino acrylic. Like, I feel like it's that acrylic where like when you haven't used it for a while, for me personally, like I don't reach for it. So like when I haven't used it for a while and then I pick it back up, like I hate using it at first. I'm like, this is stupid, this is garbage, like I don't want to touch this ever again. And then like on the third nail, like this was the third nail that I had done, and I was like, okay, like it's fine now. I don't know though. I'm not a fan of the consistency. And then the cover color that I'm using is strawberry or fresh strawberries from Sugar and Cream. This color was giving me a hard time too. I was really upset, but I covered it with glitter, Cinderella glitter from Nail Heaven Supply Store, so it's fine. But like I was pissed, and like I posted about it on my story. So pissed. I don't know why. I think it has something to do with like my monomer is like HEMA free. That probably has something to do with it, and it's from a different brand, so that might have something to do with it. But glitter really, it saved my life. So now we are doing the fun part. I didn't show like every single like application of every nail because I just thought that would get too repetitive, and like I don't want people to get bored, and like I'll be paying attention to how long people be staying and watching my videos, and it's really disrespectful that people be leaving. So I'm gonna try and make sure people don't leave. Please don't leave, bro, please. I'm begging you, don't leave. This is a good video, okay? So we're encapsulating a bunch of glitter. Someone on TikTok asked me how I keep my glitters in place so that they don't move around, and all I do is I put a wet bead of acrylic wherever I want something, and I place it, and it's like glue, and then it hardens and it will not move when you encapsulate. So try that if you didn't know that works. It totally works. I was thinking about making like an in-depth video about encapsulation, so let me know if you want to see that. Every time I ask, no one says anything. So we're just gonna see what happens this time. I also really like doing encapsulation. It's like my favorite thing to do. I say everything is my favorite thing to do, but it's true. Anyway, I was really inspired by myself for this set, and I'll show what I was inspired by. I did these nails for Wano's birthday, last year? Yeah, so I was like, hey, that looks like Easter. I'm gonna just play off that and do pastels. And also include Bunny Day eggs from Animal Crossing. That was my nails clicking, sorry. I'm talking with my hands. Yeah, so for anybody who plays Animal Crossing, I hope you caught that these are inspired by the Bunny Day eggs. I'm not even participating in Bunny Day. Screw Bunny Day. I'll be selling those eggs. I don't care about the recipes. I don't care about Zipper. Like, I want him to leave. Like, I haven't even been playing, so it really doesn't matter, but like, I don't care about you. He's very creepy to me. I'm sorry. The way he jumps scares me very badly. I really don't like it. Okay, that's enough about Zipper. This isn't about Zipper. Like, I don't want to talk about him. Encapsulating, I'm using glitter bells. What is it? Glass slippers. Man, you know what is so funny about this acrylic? Literally, I was trying to use it. I remember trying to use it for the cherry bomb nails. I tried to encapsulate with that. And then like in the past, like when I did my really long red stiletto nails, I got bubbles. And I think it has something to do with the temperature, like the climate. Not even temperature, just like the climate. Like, because when I used it this time on these Easter nails, literally no bubbles, crystal clear, and it was hot. It was very hot. I live in California, so we're having like global warming already. Like, it was like 80 degrees, 80, almost 90 degrees a couple days ago. So upstairs was really hot, and I had a really hard time sculpting my bases because, well, at least on my index finger, because the acrylic was setting so fast and I was getting really mad. And I had to put my monomer in the freezer. Anyway, I'm like going off of multiple tangents, but I'm just really surprised at how clear these are. Like, it's really shocking to me, but I guess I can use this acrylic now, and it's my favorite. We're skipping over filing and shaping, just to keep this video like sweet and short and simple. But in my cherry bomb nails video, I do show how I file and shape, and also I posted a TikTok about how I filed and shaped these. So check that out if you want to see how I did that. Also posted a reel. I say that, but I haven't even posted it yet. It's Saturday. So yeah, and now we're making these little eggs with sculpture gel. I mixed white and pink and white and yellow to get more of a pale color, and then I'm just gonna paint the details. These are literally the cutest things I've ever seen in my entire life. I originally wanted to do Easter eggs on all of them, but then I was like, I don't feel like doing that. Like, I'm not trying to do that, because I didn't even know like what I would paint, because like the bunny eggs are kind of complicated. Like, they got some weird stuff going on. And I was like, no. So I just picked the two easiest designs, and it actually turned out perfectly fine. And yeah, then I decided to just do bling on the rest. I was like sitting for like 15-20 minutes trying to figure out how to do the bling, and it was really simple, but like that's just how it is with me. Like, I will just sit and think. And like during the thinking, I'll like go on my phone, I'll like go on Twitter, go on TikTok, like whatever. Like, I'll be talking to somebody, and then I'll go back and be like, okay, wait, what was I doing? Like, let me keep thinking, and then I'll finally get it. So it's just my nail brain, you know. Thinking is hard. Sometimes it's a lot. Just thinking is, I think it's one of the toughest things you can do is just think. Words of wisdom today. Yes, the bling. Swarovski caress tells only, baby. Nah, sometimes I'm using fake stuff. Don't even. Swarovski's expensive. They are hella expensive. My caviar, I wish my caviar was from Daily Charm, because the Daily Charm caviar is blingy blow shiny. This AliExpress stuff is whack. I can't believe I did a poll on my Instagram and asked if I should do caviar or not, and people said no. Don't you feel wrong now? Don't you feel horrible that you said that? Why would you say that? I'm just playing. If you said no, it's okay, but you're wrong. You're wrong, okay? Like, these are princess crowns. Like, I just can't believe how cute they are. I'm just looking at it. Like, it just looks so magical and like regal and royal, and I look important. I look like, I don't know, like an Easter princess. Like, there's just nothing else to say. I want to do my other hand, but hell, nope, not gonna do that. I wish. I'll just pretend it's done. Ooh, top coat. We love it. I mean, I don't know like what changed, like what I did, but one day like I woke up and I did my nails and they looked like glass, and I haven't looked back since then. I think I just like mastered the ratio, the bead ratio for encapsulating. I just think I got it. It's glass, people. Okay, here's some really cute outdoor sun clips. Oh, so cute. I got all those props from CVS like the same day, today, Saturday. I was like, I want some props, and I went and got them, and it made it so much better. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I upload next week. Bye bye.